Hello friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate apps on your Wix website. This is straightforward to do, and I'm going to walk you through this simple step-by-step process to enable or find apps and integrate and enable them. So what you want to do is log into Wix, of course, and on the lower left-hand side, just go into the settings. Right from here, you want to scroll down and you want to click on, for example, booking settings, for example, right here, and you will scroll down as well and you'll find booking integrations, right? So you can click on booking integrations as an example here, and here you have bunch of different apps that you have right here. So here is a booking channel, so they're basically referring to some booking apps. You have communication apps, you have business management apps, you have payroll and invoices, marketing, you have website widgets, mobile apps, and all those different good stuff, right? That you have directly that you can integrate. Now, I'm going to just go ahead and click on something, for example, so you can see. And right here is, for example, calendar. So if you want event booking, ticket sales, you can click on an app, for example, and here you will see, obviously they're showing a video in this case, but you can scroll down and you can read through to make sure that it's something that you want, it meets your criteria, and it's going to be useful to your website, and there's no risk, right? Now, once you're fine, go ahead and click in agree and add, and you will see that it's going to basically opens up, right? So that you have it. So as you can see right here, it says running your business from your phone, blah, blah, blah. It's basically loading up some stuff right here, and it's going to open up within the harmonic builder. Why this, right? Because whenever you install apps or integrate apps to your website, then you'll be able to access those right into the builder, right? So you have them installed and added, and you are able to use the builder to edit and modify any one of these, right, that you have. So as you can see, it's currently loading, so I'm just going to give it a moment. All right, so you can see right here that it basically says that finish setup, add to site. So I can click on add to site right here, and you can see right away that it's adding the calendar to the site. And you can modify, you can edit, you can do whatever it is that you need. As you can see right here, that it's showing up, and these you can move them, put them wherever you want. Wherever you want to add this, make it smaller, larger, put them in different pages, different section. You get the general idea, right? It's right here, but I'm gonna just keep it as is and just basically move it out of the way and put it whatever, right? So you can bring it all the way down on the page. You get a general idea how this is working, right? So this is pretty much it, guys, how you can easily go ahead and have app integrations directly in your Wix website by following the steps I just showed you. And that's it.